Most membrane decking applications require surface preparation prior to installing the membrane product. In new construction, the requirements could include putting a skim coat of seam patch over the wood seams, the knot holes, screw holes, or any irregularities in the deck surface. Once the seam patch is installed, it will require sanding. The quickest approach to leveling out the seam patch and any unevenness in the plywood pieces is with a belt sander or a disc grinder. Any dust created can be easily removed with the leaf blower. If the deck to be recovered has an existing membrane on it, it can be recovered. The installer can install new plywood over the existing membrane, screw it down, and then add the DeckRite membrane over the new plywood. Another option would be to tear off the existing membrane. Many times, this option may leave the existing plywood in terrible condition and ultimately may require a thin layer of plywood be attached. Contact the membrane manufacturer on the number of fasteners required to attach the new plywood sheeting. And lastly, in many cases, the new DeckRite membrane can be glued to the existing membrane. Consult the manufacturer for their requirements in recover applications.